Hello and what's up guys. Now I'm going to unbox another tool that can help us to work much easier. So for the first, it's a manual, which is where I am in Croatia, but I cannot see an English translation with this manual. Next is the foam plastic attachment that will help us to spread the cream or the soap as well. Then the 3 pieces abrasive paper, but this is only for wood. You may purchase abrasive paper for metal and for paint. So this is K120 type. So they have also K80 and K60 depending on your needs. So this is synthetic polishing hood. So this is for the final touch. So this is the polishing disc, which has 180mm for the diameter, and you can attach all those things. So this is for handle screw. So as well as the handle itself. Then lastly, the polishing and sanding machine. By the way, this is 1.4 kg, not heavy at all. But let's see if it has battery attached. And they said this is a brushless motor, which means less noise. So by the way, I'll show you the battery, but this is not included in the box. Okay, so you need to purchase them separately. For better usage of the battery, use the 2.5 ampere battery or more. So this is where you can attach the battery. Okay, as you can see, the switch button and the LCD display, which is better, and the spindle lock. There you can attach the disc. So guys, let's attach the battery. Let's see. Okay, look. So this is the power button. If you can see, guys. Guys, the plus is the adjustment. Plus and negative sign are the adjustments. So if you press plus, more speed, and lesser you press the negative. Guys, for this machine I really like the grip because the weight is balanced for the battery. At the same time, on the top, it really makes me feel comfortable. So this is how we can attach the disc and the machine. So as you can see, guys, you just do like a screw. As you can see, it is really to attach, easy to attach, as well as you can easily remove this mic as well. Okay, and the handle, this you will be put on this both side. Okay, so the accessories that you need, this one, if you will see, you need the screw. Let me check, wait, see the screw. So this is might be used to attach the handle. As you see, I guess this is the best positioning for the handle because you can support the pressure while doing polishing or sanding. So all of these, the abrasive paper, synthetic, and the foam must be attached here. This will stick in this pad. Okay, so for me it is easier to remove and replace. So later we will check this the foam. As you can see guys, now we are working with the foam. But still, no, it's not. It's because it's still wet. You need to do it by one hand, but when it will work longer, so you better use two hands to give more pressure on the item, or I mean the object, because it will bounce. So the positioning of the handle is that, for me, that is very suitable.